Hello everyone, my name is Barbara and I'm a Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes knit, and today I have a finished object for you. Socks. These beauties. Okay, so what I'm going to tell you quick what I did and then what kind of tools I used. So first things first, I knitted already with the similar yarn. So on the screen, these ones, look at that. These are mine. I'm not sure when did I knit them, but I have a finished object video, so I put down below and maybe I write down over here when I published this lovely video about these. I have different tones, as you can see, what colors. But anyway, let's come back from this one. My cousin was visiting for a few days, just a few days, and we went a few places. And hopefully I put out there already a vlog to those places. Oh, we were chatting, I was just able to record a few things. A link down below on the screen now. So anyway, I thought that maybe I will be fast enough to be able to knit a pair. And what did I do just to be aware in case I need to knit another pair? And this will be just my kind of knitting journal. So listen, I did exactly almost everything the same way. No, I did exactly the same thing as I do normally with my basic standard sock recipe when I'm knitting two at a time. On the screen now you have the video and link down below, which just shows from the beginning to the end how I knit socks, which takes me longer than 55 minutes, but it tells you exactly what I do. The main stuff when you knit socks for someone is where to put the heel. So just to be sure, I did my standard toe and then I marked where I put the heel when that was 7 inches, okay, 7 inches. And then I was knitting until I figure out that the calf will be long enough. So, you know, with the calf, it doesn't really matter that much. You know, you can have it shorter, longer, you know, depends on the season and the weather. And then I did after top heel the same way as I'm doing with my own one. So I did 3 rounds and then I was doing the creases. The same thing what you have in that video. Yay! I think that's all what I need to know. 2x2 ribbing, and I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 rows of ribbing. Well, with ribbing, you know, no, I just look at it, and when I feel that it's okay, then it's okay. So I'm so happy. I'm just recording it now. I know I'm going to publish it later, and because I knitted it, I need to have a video, having moment on my own, and then my cousin can go and have it. We'll have some souvenir made in Ireland. Okay, so what did I use? First things first, I took a big bag because I wasn't sure where we're going to go, and sometimes I just grab a knitting bag with me when we're going, just throw a wallet and some, you know, valuable stuff inside and just go to wherever we're going and keep the big bag inside with just, you know, notes and stuff, nothing important. So I took this one just in case, and I have information that I have socks in it. Hopefully you can see it. Then we're talking about needles, right? So I use my lovely pouch because, you know, if you know watching me for a while, that this pouch represents that I'm knitting for someone, not for myself. I use Hiya needles, fixed needles. This is US size 1, which is 2.25mm needles on a longer cable because I'm knitting 2 at a time. My favorite one is 40 inches, which is 100 centimeters. Obviously, yeah, it's a fixed one, so that's probably what it is. Right, if you're looking for needles, check out my little shop. I'm so proud to say that, you know, a few more sizes over there with 5-inch and shorter one for hats too, so double check if you're interested. Let's go to yarn I used. So I used this one. This is Drops Fabel, and this is something that I kind of lean towards in case of gift knitting for those people who are not really into yarn but they want to throw the sock into the washing machine and finger crossed nothing's going to happen to it. This is the way I'm washing my socks. I throw them into the machine, but obviously for like gentle cycle. And yeah, so finger crossed it's not going to, you know, be ruined. Right, we have 75%, we have 75% wool, 25% polyamide, and the color is 623. And this is this lovely print, just to show you representation. And heels, the same Drop Fabel, but it's called Unicolor, and the same blend, but the color is 102, and it's a lighter pink. just to show you. It's a different one than here. I'm curious, I'm going to check when I will be editing this video. Is this different number than this? Because I think when I was buying, I was leaning towards this color. It's just maybe no monitor and stuff. When you look at your screen, the colors are not exactly sometimes the way you think they are. Right, I think that's all, isn't it? What else I can tell you about socks? If you think that I should tell you a little bit more, please leave a comment down below. What you think about drops? Have you knitted with the drops before? I think it's quite affordable yarn, especially for someone who has never knitted with wool and would want to try, or even try to knit socks, I would say, because it's quite nice. Gentle print, nothing crazy, I would say. And I know she loves it and she wants to get it straight away. So I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Don't forget to use #KnittingILove. Show me what you're knitting. You can find me on Instagram as KnittingILove. I hope you're going to say hi and share the things you like to knit and not only. And yeah, till the next one. Bye.